Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to use the File Manager in cPanel to upload and download files. First, log into your cPanel. On the Tools page and in the Files section, click File Manager. In the File Manager main window, navigate to the directory where you want to upload the file. Next, click the Upload icon. The File Upload page appears. Select the Overwrite Existing Files checkbox to overwrite a file on the server with the same file name. Click on Select Files. Navigate to the file's location on your computer, and then double-click the file. The file will be uploaded immediately. In the File Manager main window, navigate to the directory where you want to download the file. Click the file you want to download, or you can select multiple files to download. Next, click the download icon. Then, navigate to the directory on your local computer where you want to save the file, and then save the file.